Peace, y'all. Just inviting you to hear and feel these crashing waves with me. We're getting closer to high tide here in Lincoln City, Oregon. The sun is out. You can see Bend just behind me. Look at the cliffs, the green. I don't know, there's so many things that I know maybe each of you, all of us, have our own way of connecting to the crashing waters. But I am always, as somebody who suppresses a lot of things, just dreamy good things, also heavy things, grief things, anger things, just things that don't often have words. The crashing waves just talk to it. I feel them talking to it, the way the waves then spread out and relax after being heard in a way that I feel like my stomach is listening to the waves, and then they're able to just relax. Just like having people who are just trustworthy, gentle, compassionate listeners in your life who can just be a witness to the things that may not make sense. Doesn't need to make sense with words. And maybe it never comes out with words. Maybe it's just in tears. Maybe it's in howling and screaming even. See those surfers over there. Woo. So, just wherever this meets you, just honoring the crashing waves, the big dreams, the hard things, the sharp things, the grieving things, the rumbling, intuitive things. Peace to each of you from the Oregon coast.